Hey friends, welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor, your go-to place for tech tips and data recovery solutions. Today, we are talking about something really important: how to recover deleted Google Keep notes. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important note in Google Keep and then panicked about how to get it back? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to restore your deleted notes on Android, iOS, and desktop. Plus, I'll share an important tip to prevent losing your notes forever. So stick around till the end. If you're using Google Keep on an Android device, recovering deleted notes is simple. Open the Google Keep app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, select Trash or Deleted section. Look for the note you want to restore, tap on it, then select Restore or Recover, and it's back in your main notes section. For iPhone and iPad users, the process is similar. Open the Google Keep app, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, select Trash, find the note you need, and tap Restore. And just like that, your note is back where it belongs. If you access Google Keep from your computer, here's what you need to do. Go to keep.google.com, click on the bin icon on the top left panel, find your deleted note and click Restore. That's it, your note is back in action. Now here's something you need to know. Deleted notes stay in trash for only 7 days. After that, they are permanently removed and there's no way to recover them. So, if you need to restore a note, do it quickly. To avoid losing important notes, consider these two backup options. Tip number 1. Create a copy in Google Keep. Simply duplicate the note so you have a backup. Tip number 2. Save a copy in Google Docs. This way, even if your note is deleted, you still have it in Google Docs. So that's how you can recover deleted Google Keep notes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor for more tech tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.